This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Kusavitsky. Completely updated 4 bedrooms 3-bath home. Home features wide plank wood look ceramic flooring in the main living area, kitchen and laundry room. High ceilings west/wood beams. Large living room west/wood burning fireplace and custom cabinetry. Kitchen has quartz countertops, updated black appliances, deep drawers for pots and pans, lazy Susan cabinet, large island and custom pantry all overlooking the family room. Big master bedroom west/walk-in closets west/custom cabinetry and updated master bathroom west/large tiled shower. Sizable secondary bedrooms. Update bathrooms. Beautiful views of the pool and lake. Impact windows, doors and garage door. Full home generator in ground. 2018 AC and water heater. Centrally located near everything. Low HOA. New AC, new solar panels, walked to elementary school. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Kusavitsky at 954-914-5228.